Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use Datum Plane, Additive Pipe, Revolve, chamfer, and subtractive helix. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this guide rail here. So we'll create a line here and a line here and another line here. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 20 millimeters, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 30 millimeters and 74 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane and select polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, okay? And go to dimension. The distance here, 30 millimeters. The distance between this point and the midpoint, 74 millimeters. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. And now in the corner here, we'll make a fillet here and here. This fillet has 50 millimeters of radius, and this one has 10 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this line and this one, select this line and this one, and go to dimension. We have 50 millimeters of radius here and 10 millimeters of radius here. We made this profile, so leave the sketch. And now we will create a circle in the front plane in the center here with 10 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. And leave the sketch. We have these two sketches here. And now we will create a circle at this point with 5.35 millimeters of diameter. So go to Datum Plane and here show the origin. Show the origin first, okay? And go to Datum Plane and select the front plane and in Z direction minus 74 millimeters and press OK. Now hide the origin and select this new plane and go to create a sketch. I will rotate this a little bit and go to external projection, select this point here and select a circle, click here in this point, make a circle here with 5.35 millimeters of diameter and leave the sketch. We made these three sketches here. I will hide this Datum Plane and now go to Additive Pipe and the first sketch here, select the circle and the path to sweep along. Click here, Object, and select this sketch and go to Section Transformation and select Multi-Section, Add Section here, select this circle and press OK. We made this one. And now in this face here, we will create a sphere. This sphere has 13 millimeters of diameter. So select this face and go to create a sketch. And go to external projection, select this face here and select a circle. Make a circle here. The circle has 13 millimeters of diameter. And go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay. Now select a line, make a line here in the center of the circle. Make sure that this line is horizontal with the midpoint. So go to horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. Go to trim and cut this circle and leave the sketch. Go to revolve and press OK. And now we will select the right plane and create this part here. So this sketch, we will create a line here and a line here. This line has 2 millimeters and this one has 15/2 because we use the revolve to make this profile, this part, okay? So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, activate the toggle section view, and go to polyline, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, and go to dimension. We have 2 millimeters here, and here we have 15/2, and the distance here is 4 millimeters. And the length here is 12 millimeters, okay? And leave the sketch, go to revolve, the axis here, horizontal sketch, and press OK. And now we will make a chamfer here with 0.5 millimeters. So go to chamfer, click here and select this edge here, the size 0.5 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create a thread here. So we'll make a triangle here, the angle here inside 60 degrees. And let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the right plane, and go to external projection, select this edge here and this one. I will hide this bar a little bit, activate the toggle section view, and select polyline, and click here in this point, make a triangle here, okay? And go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this one, and go to dimension. The angle here is 60 degrees, and the distance here can be 2 millimeters. And leave the sketch and go to subtractive helix, and here the axis, select horizontal sketch, the pitch here, select 1, and the length here is 10 millimeters. So the length here 10 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.